In this video, I'll explain how the Breakup Value Report works in WinkSell. Once you are logged in, look for the Reports, Stock Reports, and then the Breakup Value Report, which provides you with the current valuation of your whole stock. The displayed data includes the product name, barcode, on-hand quantity, average purchase price, stock valuation based on the average price, sale price, and stock valuation based on the sale price. If you ever need to sell your entire stock or of a branch, you can refer to the valuation at the average purchase price as the minimum threshold and the valuation at the sale price for the maximum threshold. This report uses average prices as the purchase prices vary, which prevents you from selling the previous stock at a lower price. The stock valuation at the average purchase price is achieved by multiplying the on-hand quantity with the average purchase price. Similarly, the stock valuation at the sale price is achieved by multiplying the on-hand quantity with the sale price. If you ever wish to check the stock availability for a specific date, apply the date filter and click this plus button. This will open a table displaying the detailed stock information for that chosen day. Additionally, you can export this report in Excel to present to the owner or the partner. That's it. To learn about other reports and interfaces, please watch our other videos.